Thank you. I am Dr. Venkatesh. I come from Nasik and I am enjoying this health checkup. Very nice.
I'm Anna Stauffer from Switzerland.
माझं नाव Anna आणि मी राहते पुणे आहे.
Come on, you can do it in English.
I'm just showing off. My name's Anna and I'm from Illinois in the United States. And I'm here doing this wonderful program with you wonderful people, with these wonderful little children.
I'm in Pune. I'm working in Patni Computer Systems. This is my second workshop for Viva. That's it.
Hello, I'm Purnima here. We have come to the health camp here. Now we are getting the kids to draw and coloring, and it's very difficult to manage the kids of this age. The health camp at a time only 7 kids can be taken care of, so rest of the kids we have to entertain them. So we are doing things like drawing donkey tail by blindfolding and then coloring and all other events so that we can keep them busy till they can go to the health camp.
Okay, I'm Puneet Kapoor and I'm working with Vibha, Pune, and having a great time with other volunteers here in the corporate school with the kids. We have around 200 kids here and we are running a health camp along with a few doctors, and kids are really notorious this time. It's really hard to handle.
Hannah, I'm here for the first time. I like it very much. I'm improving my Marathi a lot here, and I'm from Sweden. And Charlotte is here today with me.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it
A lot.
I'm practicing my Marathi, yes, Anya.
Marathi?
Marathi.
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 But this is a great camp. We're looking forward to join you in more times.
Okay, so
Okay, I'm Dr. Gayatri Agashe. This is my first time with Vibha, this organization, and I feel great working here. And maybe I'll come back again. Okay, and what else? Everybody is very friendly, so I don't feel really out of place.
thanks for coming.
Yeah.
He's our doctor in making. Every time he picks this assistant dentist chair.
Hi, I'm Apur. I'm an engineer by profession, but I think
Doctor by volunteer.
I'll soon become a dentist. I love being a part of
Good job, and they give me a good health checkup on all the kids, and I think it's really good. It helps them to basically know, it educates them a lot about what they should be careful of and what they should do when regarding to health, and yeah, it's pretty good. It's a very good cause.
Thank you.
Komal Gulati.
Again, sorry. Yeah.
I am Komal Gulati. Joined this camp for the first time. It's a lot of fun. We're doing a lot of painting, drawing, helping the children with that.
Okay. Thank you.
Camina, and we are having a lot of fun here. What else?
About the health camp, you were there for last health camp also. How was it?
that was that was really amazing, and I enjoyed a lot there too. That's why I'm here for the next health camp, and we are looking forward for the more health camps and all these activities. That's it. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Introduction.
Hi, I'm Nilesh, a Viva volunteer, and having a fun at health camp in Dattawadi.
Okay. How is this health camp different than other creative workshops that you have done in past?
A very innovative way, and whatever the focusing, what we are actually on a health basically, which is a basic need of all children, that we are now focusing, because after the creativity and all, we had to move some more focus towards some different activities, and that's what we are doing at very best.
So given an option between education and health, what do you think is more important?
That is a very difficult question. You can't separate them out. Both are equally important.
Thank you. So how is your journey so far with Viva? Every Saturday, Sunday, getting a wake-up call at 7 a.m. and then leaving the health camp with a sore throat. Your comments about that?
Yeah, then we also need a health camp afterwards for you volunteers.
This is a good health camp organized by Viva. We are really happy that 200 children will be checked up, and even the follow-up programs is planned by Viva, and I think it's a great effort taken by the Viva. And the all management, volunteer supports by Viva is really nice, and we are happy to see that from our funding organization we are getting this continuous support. So we want to see certain activities like this in future also by Viva.
बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, और गरीब बच्चों के लिए, और जिनको हेल्थ का, मेरे बोलने का मतलब ऐसा है कि जिनको कभी ऐसा ये नहीं मिलता है, चेकअप का टाइम नहीं मिलता है, पैसे नहीं रहते, उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा है।